Best foldable drone with GPS return home. Number 1, NEHEME Foldable Drone with GPS Return Home. NEHEME Foldable Drone with GPS Return Home is the best drone for people who want to get a flying experience, but does not want to deal with all of the hassle that comes with larger, more expensive drones. This best drone for beginners is small and compact, yet packed with features that make it easy and fun to fly, such as an integrated 6-axis gyro system, 1200 mAh flight battery, and 1-key return home feature. With the NEHEME Foldable Drone, you can go ahead and leave your fear and worries behind. This drone has a very cleverly designed foldable body. It is truly an ultimate traveler's companion. It's got 5 speeds, up to 7 to 8 minutes of flight time, and reaches a range of up to 100 meters, just with a single charge. With all of these great features packed into one drone, one thing has been kept in mind: safety. With its 6-axis gyro stabilization system, this drone is extremely easy to pilot for anyone from kids who have just started their flying journey to the expert pilots, but at the same time it's super safe. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2, DRC Foldable Drone with GPS Return Home. DRC is a foldable drone with GPS return home function. It's easy to fly for beginner drone pilots. When you are flying your DRC drone, the Wi-Fi disconnects temporarily, but still remains in the safe environment thanks to the GPS module and software program. The Wi-Fi reconnects automatically when you arrive back at the takeoff point. Take selfies like a pro with a DRC foldable drone. It's portable, foldable and easy to use, with a waterproof design that means it can land in pools of water or on wet grass while taking video footage or pictures from the sky. A drone that fits in your pocket and can capture photos and videos from breathtaking new perspectives. This drone also has auto return home for added peace of mind. Take it anywhere and just fly, while you are traveling or you need to get away from the hectic of urban cities. This DRC foldable drone is an all-in-one, no assembly required drone. It can be folded into a pocket, size, shape and carried anywhere, so that you can take aerial pictures wherever you like, whenever you like. Fly farther, better and safer with DRC Foldable GPS Drone. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3, NEHEME Foldable Drone with GPS Return Home. NEHEME is a high-quality drone with GPS, foldable design, easy 1-key takeoff/landing/return home/watch me, 1-key fly, auto flip and hand launched. What is your favorite color? The NEHEME Foldable Drone with GPS return and headless mode is the best beginner drone on market. The GPS return home feature provides peace of mind that your aerial vehicle will always return to its takeoff point, so you never have to worry about losing it mid-flight. NEHEME Foldable Drone. 500 megawatts transmitter for better signal, 720p HD camera for clearly photographing far and wide. NEHEME Foldable Drone with this professional aerial photography drone. 360-degree auto rotation, nice gift for kids on the festival. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4, NEHEME Foldable Drone with GPS Return Home. NEHEME Foldable Drone with GPS Return Home is a new foldable drone, the latest product of NEHEME. This drone is super portable and easy to carry. It's an excellent choice for both novice and professional aerial photographers, no matter you are using it for fun or work. Take to the skies with the NEHEME Foldable Drone. A compact drone that can snap together in a flash and head up to 600 feet above. Featuring an HD camera and GPS location to help aid it in returning home safely. NEHEME is the only drone with GPS return home function, which allows user to return NEHEME back automatically with a single click. Fly the newest foldable drone. Record your adventures in 4K with 3-axis stabilized camera. With its 2 powerful propellers, 40 minutes flight time, stable footage and encircling flight, this drone is an ideal choice for both beginner and advanced FPV pilots. Best of all, once you are done flying, just pop it into the included carrying case and you're ready to go to the beach or wherever your next adventure takes you. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Holy Stone Foldable Drone with GPS Return Home. This foldable drone with GPS return home function is your best affordable gift. It comes with 2 MP cameras with 2.0 MP FPV real-time transmission that allow you to see exactly what the drone sees from a live video stream via the controller, so you don't have to worry about any damage or loss by crashing. This nano FPV drone can fly both indoors and outdoors and has a flight time of about 6 to 8 minutes on each charge, which is pretty good for such a tiny drone. Designed for smart beginners, the Holy Stone F181C is a foldable RC drone that gives you a perfect flying experience with its adjustable gyro sensitivity and return home functions. This quadcopter with altitude hold function also comes with a 4-channel remote controller to allow you to take pictures and videos easily. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.